Industrial relations refers to the skills and relationships that are necessary in an industrial setting. One has to learn how to manage individuals and groups within an organizational system. It's a challenging task in India. We often communicate in a language not our mother tongue. Many relationship problems arise when we don't speak the same language or understanding of a thing is different. The pressures in industry of having to work in a group subjected to time disciplines and group disciplines where performance of one person impacts the output of others or of a group is not often understood. Organizations select a technically qualified person, not necessarily a personality who is suited to the organization and group working system. Interpersonal conflicts and ego problems need to be addressed, and these do happen when working in the organization. Individual problems like absenteeism, alcoholism, drugs, or indiscipline like insubordination, breach of discipline, poor workmanship, and other indiscipline needs to be well handled, and some protocols need to be followed in the Indian environment before an employee is terminated. Functional conflicts also exist, and one sees conflicts between functions such as marketing and production, materials and purchase, HR and line management, etc. It leads to emergence of groups, group interests, and group conflicts. They must be also well managed. Workmen employed in an organization form unions, and unions interact with the management of the company, and we have group conflicts. Strikes and lockouts are the visible manifestation of conflicts. Covert forms of conflicts like work to rule, go slow, and other forms of agitations like demonstrations and agitations are overt forms of conflicts. The government also regulates the relationship, and the law of the land gives protection and rights to labor and workmen. Managers must understand this, and this webinar imparts insights in how to manage individual and group conflicts.